Alright, so I'm going to explain neurotransmitters in this video. So in our body, we have tons of neurons within our bodies, and neurons are basically like cells. And each neuron has a long strand that can send information using neurotransmitters. So all these cells within our bodies have connections within each other and can send different messages within our bodies. And these connections are super important. And these neurotransmitters are also one of the huge keys to creating these connections and making sure that these connections happen and knowing what connections to give. And so when we eat food, we intake certain proteins and vitamins, minerals, and all these nutrients that our bodies use and need. So these nutrients contain certain ingredients, and obviously our body makes up certain neurotransmitters and makes up certain chemicals based on the emotions that we have, different experiences that we have, our thoughts, our feelings, just a lot of that stuff. And so if our body doesn't have the right ingredients to make certain neurotransmitters, then that's kind of a setback. There's certain messages that can't be sent within our bodies. Our bodies can't, do certain things or know certain things to take place without those ingredients in the first place. So that's why food and eating healthy is super important, because we got to make sure that our bodies have the ingredients that it needs to do the best it can do and to send the messages that it can. And so anyways, neurotransmitters are the chemicals that are sent across each cell. And so each neurotransmitter can be different. There's like dopamine and serotonin, and also they have different charges within themselves. So these charges make it a certain balance between each cell that's being sent. And so it allows, and like the cells know which chemical to bring in based on their charges and whatnot to make it the right balance between each message send. And so if you know how neurotransmitters works and about each one, then you can know about mental disease problems, how to fix them, and also overall like the cause behind symptoms and everything. It can be a root to a ton of problems. And so neurotransmitters can be a huge thing to applying to your life. And if you know about it, you know that it's important to eat the right things and make sure that you eat healthy, like things that your body will need and will use in order to correctly function. So anyways, there you have it.